Best Bites Forever.
Hi everyone, welcome to Best Bites Forever. My name is Alicia, and in this video you're going to learn how to clean mussels. And actually it's going to be my awesome husband who's going to show you how to do this, because the rule in my house is if you want to eat mussels, you have to clean the mussels. I do not like to clean mussels. I don't like messing with anything like that. So he's like my prep cook today, and he's going to get his hands dirty for you, and I'll kind of talk you through it as we're watching. And also, if you follow my channel, then you already know I am not in Phoenix right now. I am sitting here freezing my butt off, but we are on a little staycation here at my in-laws cabin up north, and it's supposed to snow tonight, so I'm super excited. And if you stick around to the end, I am going to show you some family footage, and we can get to know each other a little bit better, and you can see my kids. We're going to kind of play outside tomorrow. Please, please, please let it snow. And meanwhile, let's go clean some mussels. The first thing that we need to do is check for cracks. So you can see a pretty obvious crack here in this mussel. So this guy is garbage, but even smaller cracks make the mussel no good. Make sure you throw any cracked mussels out. Next, you want to make sure it's alive. If it is opened up, you just simply tap it like this, or even on the side of your sink to see if it closes. If it doesn't close itself up after a few seconds, it is garbage. The next thing we're looking for is a nice shiny shell on the mussel. That's a good indication that he's nice and fresh. See, when you tap on this guy, he's going to slowly close. They don't like clamp up like, you would picture in a cartoon, but they slowly close themselves. So the next thing is to remove the beard. That guy actually didn't have one, but this one does. As you can see, that's the beard right there. And you remove it by simply grabbing a hold of it and pulling it up toward the hinge of the shell. If there's anything left, you can use a knife to scrape it off. Notice how gross my husband's hands are getting from cleaning these. Look at that dude's beard, it was huge. Okay, so the next thing we're doing is just checking for anything stuck to the shell. Like sometimes they get barnacles and stuff like that on them, and you can just use a knife or even some kind of scrubby pad, and you can scrub those off of there. These are farm-raised mussels, so I'm not worried about sand being inside of them, but if you are not using farm-raised, you may want to soak them also for 20 minutes in salty water with cornstarch, and that's it. Hi everyone, thank you again so much for watching my video. Please give it a like and a thumbs up and all of that kind of stuff. Also share it with your friends who need to know how to clean mussels. And if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe now. Ooh, the wind is picking up. Do you hear it? I bet you hear it on the camera. Okay, so I'm going inside now because I am freezing my butt off, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone. Bye. Did you fill it baggy with snow? Wow.
I'm cold.
Hi. I love you so much. You're so cute. Oops, wrong way. Aww, that's cute. You're so sweet. I love you. You guys are silly.
I got that. Over here it's actually warm. Like, you don't feel cold.
Whoa, look at the snow. That's crazy. Can you catch the snow? Wow, it is really snowing out here, you guys. Like, not a little.
You're covered in snow, Tia. See, you were covered in snow. You too.
They're in your eyelashes. So I hope they don't close the roads.
It's a blizzard.
Wow.
Blizzard.
Alright guys, come on, let's go in. Come on, baby, it's freezing.
It just blew me over.
Come on, silly.
Why did that happen?
Thank God we got the snowplow in front of us. We definitely, I don't think we'll be going up these hills. We are driving in the snow, bud. We just... Oh no, if we pull over there, we will go slip sliding around, buddy. Woo! So pretty. Look at this. Look at the snow, like the blizzard snow. I don't think you can appreciate it really on the camera at all, but...
bestbitesforever.com